Hi, my name's Charlie from Myles, Reading.
My name's Kenny. I'm also from Myles, Reading.
Today we have a 2017 Subaru Outback here. Customer said that their left rear window isn't working. Kenny diagnosed the car. He found a couple of things.
So, the customer actually came in with the original complaint of the main power switch not working, none of the windows going down or up. So the first thing we did was we checked fuses, found the fuse was blown for the main power window switch, replaced the fuse, and then all the windows work except for this left rear here, and it's stuck down slightly. And as you can see, the regulator is actually not attached to it. What we think happened is the customer was trying to fix their window themselves. They were using the switch a bunch. It drew too much power, drew too much amperage, and blew the fuse. So the regulator is actually broken, which actually caused the amperage drop, which blew the fuse, and that's why the windows weren't working. We have the Subaru Outback in for a left rear window regulator that went bad. We looked at it last week, and then the customer brought it back today to get it fixed. So we get the store panel off. There's a one little screw right here. That's right behind this little trim panel. You just pop that off, take the screw out, and there's another one right down here in the armrest there. There's about 7 clips that are just push pins that go the whole way around the outside. And there is one in here that was a little tricky. So once you get those all popped, door panel comes right off. And then you have 2 door cables right here. And then these just pop out, just like that. And the door panel's off. And then you have this very nice black tar that seals your door. And right here is your window regulator, which we can see is obviously not in good shape. So window regulator seems to have come apart inside the door. With all the bolts backed out, probably because of how it's messed up. The window going up and down just wiggled all the bolts loose. Just looking to replace it, give her a new solid window regulator, and then put it back together and send her on her way. Okay, so here we have the regulator out of the car. So this piece is actually has been updated to a newer style where instead of this circle bushing here, they have a square, and it stays in the track a lot better. And this one tends to pop out, so it pops out of the track and then goes below it, and the window will go up so far, it won't go down right. That's why we're replacing it. The new one is a square plastic bushing, so it should be a lot more reliable for the customer and last a lot longer for her. So we got the new window regulator in, got the door panel back on, got it all back connected and everything, and just making sure it works. And it looks like we got full movement now. Window's back to operating.